Hey friends, if you encounter the error DNA name not resolved error code in Google Chrome, then please watch this video. Now this is primarily a DNS error, so press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. This will open the network connections window. Right click on the Wi-Fi network connection and select properties. Double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Select use the following DNS server address. Choose 8.8.8.8 and the alternative one as 8.8.4.4. Click on OK to save the settings and then OK once again. So this will be very helpful. If this does not help, then the next solution will be a network reset. I'll tell you later why, but first how. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the Network and Internet tab and select Advanced Networks Settings. Click on Network Reset and click on Reset Now and finally on Yes. Now, other websites and channels will mention a hell lot of solutions, but you don't need to go through them. Why? Because when you reset the network, it will perform all of these solutions like what do we say, flushing the DNS, like resetting WinSock, resetting the IP address, etc. etc. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.